Most people believe that breathwork, breathing techniques, or traditional pranayama is there to bring more oxygen into our blood. But the truth is actually the contrary. Yes, we want to have our body tissues oxygenized, energized. Oxygen is an energy carrier. Breath is a carrier for the vital force called prana. So yeah, there is something about the oxygen, and people like to measure the oxygen. They take a drop of blood, put it onto a measurement device, and then they see, oh wow, my blood is full of oxygen, I must be very vital. But oxygen in the blood does not mean very much. It's actually always very high. It's very difficult to lower the oxygen levels in your blood, and when they are lowered, you don't have to measure anymore, you really have a problem. So what is it about then with the oxygen? Our tissues need the oxygen, our body cells need the oxygen. So it has to come from the blood into the body tissues. And this is not really happening by putting more oxygen into the blood. What you need is the demand from the body cells for oxygen so that they can actually receive the oxygen. And this is where CO2 comes into play. The more CO2 you accumulate in your body, the more oxygen your organs will receive, your muscles will receive, your brain will receive, all your tissues will be oxygenized much more when there is actually a demand. So when you want to enhance the oxygenization of your body, then do what the yogis did. Ayama, the prana. Stretch your breath out. Slow down your breath. Hold your breath. Accumulate CO2. And this will lead to ayama of prana. Prolongation of life. Accumulation of life energy. You see, all the newest findings in science, what is it with CO2 and how does it work and why is oxygen just not coming in, and you measure everything and you do all sorts of experiments, or you just look at one word in the yogic traditions, which is pranayama, and only the one word explains it all already. So enjoy the silence when you breathe. Enjoy the softness of your breath. Allow the life energy to pour into you. Thank you very much for listening, and please subscribe for more information about healthy yogic practices.